Your engine wore out, maybe it's a little down on power, maybe it has a little blow-by from time to time. Maybe when you take your girl out to McDonald's late at night, the drive-thru, your oil pressure sits at 0. And when you go to change your oil, you have a little bearing material inside of it. That ain't never good. So if it's knocking, banging, chugging along, well, say goodbye to that. Say hello to the mechanic in the bottle. Get yourself a good old bottle of high mileage Lucas oil stabilizer and put that stuff right into your engine. Just like that. Nice thick honey. Turn that engine right back to brand new again. So instead of your mileage rolling forward, this right here in the bottle, make it roll backwards, back to factory, brand new again. I guarantee it.